Today we have the 2021 Volvo XC60. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. It has done just under 80,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. On the first page of our screen, we have our applications. This includes our car status, driver performance, and download center. On the second page, we have our main features, navigation, radio, smartphone integration, and our average fuel consumption. On our final page is car functions. This includes things like connected safety and park assist. If we press here, we can access our climate control. Using our drive mode button, we can switch between eco mode for efficient drive, comfort for everyday use, dynamic for high performance, and off-road. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that all of our seats are full black leather.